Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of the Baseus Spacemate Docking Station, a high-spec 11-in-1 expansion solution designed for enhancing work efficiency on Windows laptops. Today, we'll dive into its features, real-life performance, and how it stands up against similar products in the market. This innovative docking station is engineered to offer an expansive connectivity suite, featuring dual HDMI ports and dual DisplayPort connectors, allowing you to extend your display across 3 monitors in stunning 4K resolution. This triple display capability is ideal for professionals who require multitasking across multiple screens. For Windows users, this means extensive workspace real estate that boosts productivity, although Mac users should note that the triple display mode is not supported, and only one extended display is possible under extension mode. One of the key highlights of the Baseus Spacemate is its robust data transmission, thanks to its USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, with 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports supporting an impressive 10 Gigabit Ethernet transfer speed. Moving large files such as 20 GB data in just 20 seconds is not only possible but incredibly efficient. Additionally, a USB-A 2.0 port is available to provide extra connectivity options. In terms of power, the docking station offers a PD 100-watt fast-charging USB-C input, which supports pass-through charging up to 85 watts for your laptop. This means you can power your device while enjoying multiple peripheral connections. Just be aware that for full load performance, it is recommended to use a 100 watts adapter, as the package does not include a charger or input cable. A distinctive design element of the Spacemate is its sleek, vertical upright design with a polished aluminum finish. The 80cm cable and magnetic base provide flexibility in desk layouts, while the built-in LED digital screen clearly displays connection statuses on all ports. For added security, there's a screen lock button that can secure sensitive information when needed. This modern design, combined with innovative features, is why the product has garnered attention from top media outlets like Forbes, ZDNet, and Tom's Guide, as well as earning recognition in the Innovation Awards by Future. In real-life scenarios, users have praised the seamless multitasking capabilities, fast data transfer, and robust all-in-one connectivity. While the product is very powerful, potential downsides include the absence of a charging cable and the limited display extension on Mac devices. Compared to other docking stations, the Baseus Spacemate stands out with its superior connectivity options, integrated digital display, and high-speed ports. For best results, ensure that you pair the docking station with an approved high-wattage adapter and maintain an organized workspace. Overall, this docking station is perfect for professionals in need of a versatile, cable-integrated hub that boosts productivity and expands functionality. Thank you for listening,